Here we have a 2019 BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We also have the blue metallic exterior paintwork. We have the LED headlights, the gloss black front grills. We also have the full M Performance kit, which includes the gloss black front splitter. Round to the passenger side, you find we have the second alloy wheel, again unmarked. We also have the side skirt extensions along the bottom, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors with the brush metal trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Shark fin antennae up top. We also have the eDrive badging just here, as you can see, with the gloss black rear spoiler as well. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera. Round to the rear, you find we have the dual exit exhaust with the rear diffuser. We have the 530e badging just there. If we take a look inside of the boot, opening it up just like so, you find we have plenty of space back here. We have a storage pocket just on the left hand side. If you pull the boot back down, close that up, and then walk back round to the driver's side, you find that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior now. Coming into the back first, you find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrest in the centre and the fixed ISO points, plenty of space back here, with the vents down there for the rear passengers. We also have the blue stitching along the doors. We have the electric windows and the brush metal door handles. Taking a look at the front, again we've got the full leather interior with the blue stitching. Both the front seats are heated and also they are electrically adjustable with the memory function, as you can see just there. Electric mirrors and electric windows, child lock for the rear. We have the automatic lights and the automatic wipers. A multifunctional steering wheel. If you take a seat inside, you find we have the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. We have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there. If you put our foot on the brake, press the start button, then the vehicle will start up for us. We also have a electrically adjustable steering wheel, as you can see the stalk just down there. We have the digital dashboard just here. We have the main infotainment screen as well in the centre, which has the likes of the sat nav. Just turn the fans down so we don't get too much noise for you to be able to hear me. We put the car into reverse, you find we have the parking sensors and also the reversing camera just there. We also have the media just here for the DAB and FM and AM radios, Bluetooth audio and the USB. Phone connectivity just there. We also have the Apple CarPlay, the main menu, if we can scroll through all these options just here like so. We have the Eco Pro Drive mode, we also have Comfort, we have Sport as well. Further down you find we have the Intelligent Safety, press that, the Intelligent Safety just there, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. We have the climate control down here, the heated seat buttons on either side, working just as they should do, along with the ice-cold air conditioning as well, as you can see. Inside of here you find we have some storage space, we also have the cup holders as well. Close that off just like so. We have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, the drive mode buttons. We also have the parking sensors button, we have the electric handbrake and auto hold. Nice leather armrest just here which can be opened up for more storage. But that's all that I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, then please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this 2019 BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show that the vehicle drives exactly how you'd expect it to. So as you can see, I'm not having to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We're not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now the steering wheel is electrically adjustable. We have the stalk just down here so you can move it to however you find comfortable. We have the paddle shifters as well on either side. If you wanted to stick the car into manual mode, you can do so by just tapping one of the paddles and then it will change gears. We have the cruise control buttons and the speed limiter on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons on the right. We have a digital dashboard just here in front of me which can display different bits of information, which you would have seen on the walk around video and also on the photos. Now we do have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle with the blue stitching. Both the front seats are electrically adjustable and the driver's seat has the memory function. Both the front seats are heated as well, perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have the main screen just here in the centre, which is currently displaying the sat nav. Again, we have the DAB radio, a range of media, again, which you would have seen on the walk around video and also on the photos. Just below that, we have the climate control with the ice-cold air conditioning, which is perfect for these warm, hot summer days. Now we're about to come up to the industrial park where we take a right-hand turn. And when I when we take the right hand turn, I'll perform an emergency stop, count down from 3, go hard on the brakes and put the car into reverse, just to show that the reversing camera and the parking sensors work just as they should do. So we've got the indicator on, letting the traffic pass, right onto the industrial park, perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, 1, hard onto the brakes and then put the car into reverse, reversing camera just there with the parking sensors, back into drive with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all of your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all of your questions along with running through some inquiries with you. But that's it from me today. Hope to hear from you soon. Cheers.